Welcome to this guide on fixing the Pinterest black screen issue on your PC. If you've been experiencing a frustrating black screen when trying to access Pinterest, you're not alone. Fortunately, there are several steps you can take to resolve this problem. Let's walk through them together. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First, ensure that your internet connection is stable. Click on the network icon located in the notifications area of your taskbar. This will allow you to see if you're connected to the internet and if your network is functioning properly. Step 2. Refresh the Pinterest web page. Sometimes, simply refreshing the page can solve the issue. Click on the refresh icon at the top left of your browser. If that doesn't work, try closing your browser completely and then reopening it before navigating back to Pinterest. Step 3. Clear your browser cache and cookies. A buildup of cache and cookies can often lead to display issues. To clear them, click on the 3 dots in the top right corner of your browser to access the menu. From there, select Delete Browsing Data. In the new tab that appears, ensure all options are checked and set the time range to All Time. Finally, click on Delete Data to clear everything. Step 4. Restart your device. If you're still facing issues, sometimes a simple restart can help. Click on the Windows icon in your taskbar, then select the power icon. Choose Shutdown and wait for about 30 seconds before turning your device back on by pressing the power button. By following these steps, checking your internet connection, refreshing the page, clearing your browser's cache and cookies, and restarting your device, you should be able to resolve the Pinterest black screen issue effectively. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might be struggling with this problem. Thank you for watching.